Joey the Rat. Joey the Loser. Sneeze. Boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy. I called it. Once again, loser. Boy, oh boy. You was talking all this big trash when you made $200 that night, and you was talking big trash. Oh, I get this. I make this money. They know. See, they know me. They know me. This is my career. I'm wearing Diddy stuff, Diddy jewelry and stuff, cause I'm a boss and y'all not. See, they need me, cause they know ain't nobody else can do this job but me. Boy, you was talking all that trash. Oh, they need me. They need it. And look at you. Look at you quit. And you work at Labor Ready. It ain't a career. Bro, you quit a Labor Ready job. It ain't quitting, idiot. Cause only thing they do is to send you out on another job. So stop saying you quit. They probably didn't need your butt no more. And you trying to make it look good and sound good, acting all mad and stuff. No. You work at Labor Ready, bro. Stop it. Stop. And now, you about to go to a homeless shelter? Whoa. But you never been homeless. But boy, you know the ins and outs of being at a shelter though, bro. You know it well. Real well. And bro, you are the dumbest nose picker I've ever seen in my life. I bet that extra $200 looking good right now, don't it? You'd have took that studio apartment. You'd have been chilling right now. You could have been saying, you know what, my rent's paid for the month. I just gotta get me a job to pay my rest of my little things here and there, and I'm good. No. Joey the Rat is too smart for that. Way too smart for that. Way too smart to save $200 a month. Way too smart to get his own place instead of having to depend on hotel rooms. Now look at you. You literally broke, homeless, and still a loser. Bro, you are so dumb. It's almost not fun no more. I said almost. I didn't say it wasn't. Cause bro, I love pounding you. Oh, whoa. That sounds gay. I love smashing you to the dirt, bro. Because I don't care, you down and you got 15 holes and blood coming out of all of them. I'm going to make sure you get that 16th hole, because I'm still going to kick you when you down. Because that's what you deserve. That's what you're going to get. You know, you was talking all that trash about that other loser, Charles. Look at you now. I don't see you smiling and profiling now, do you? Loser. Because you and Charles are always losers. That dude is the oldest loser walking right now. I thought I seen it all when I seen them stupid looking tarp thing hanging from their back of that van. Next thing I see water coming out. And I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. These losers are taking a bath or shower right in Walmart's parking lot. Didn't even care. Then on top of that, you got that crap chair. They got that crap chair in that goddamn van. And a dog. Jesus Christ. I mean, are they asking to have a freaking outhouse or a drive-in outhouse? Man. Wow. Man, oh man. But Anyway, you ain't getting off that easy, bro. I'm done talking about him. It's you, rat boy. Showing all your little stupid little rings. Oh, where your little stack at? You know, all that money you got. You can barely fit in your pocket because it's too big. Oh, I love it how certain things seem to just go away. You know, your little stack of money, it just perfectly goes away when you're done. When you don't got no money, you don't got you literally are so predictable. It ain't even funny, bro. Watch, mark my words. As soon as you get $50 in your pocket, you go be on here talking about, see, I'm a boss. I'm a CEO. See, y'all know how to make no money. You know, I do. See, y'all losers, not me. See, not me. I know how to make money and keep money in my pocket. Y'all clowns, man. Y'all clowns. Y'all don't know how to do it like me. See, if y'all listen to me, y'all know how to do it. What, listen to you? Okay, what you go teach us? Come on, Buttercup. What you go teach us? How to what? How to flash ones and fives? Maybe this one. How to draw $1 bills out on newspaper and hurry up and put it in your stack, and you put ones and fives over them, make it look so big that you just got all this money coming out of nowhere. Please teach us this one. I've been asking you to teach us this one forever. How do you pick your nose and keep talking without no toilet paper and be perfectly fine? Please teach us that one. Your Holiness, please teach it. Please teach us that. And then for to top it off, you know how to put it on your face without nobody seeing it. You know, I don't understand. How about this one, rat boy? Teach us how to talk and fake all these accounts as your fans. I'm talking, how do you pull it off? How do you pull it off? You got Cinderella, you got Mama Wrench, you got Willy Wonka, you got Loyal Soldier, you got Olaf, you got there's one more, bro. And I tell you what, it was mighty coincidence that Sue's people caught on to your lies of fans, you banned them. Mama Wrench banned her. For what reason? Absolutely no reason. But now, you know, this fan was so great to you that you gave her a wrench, bro. So quick. But now, she just over the top, and you just can't. You don't want nothing to do with her no more because she just a negative person. Blah 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 blah. So whatever happened to Willy Wonka, Cinderella, Olaf? Yeah. Cassandra. All these people you love. I remember you saying verbatim, oh man, you know, Olaf ain't no troll. You better not ever say Olaf was a troll. You had Olaf as like the messiah of fans. But what makes it funny is, where has he been? He's never on here no more. It's hilarious how you're like a kindergarten trying to fool his parents. You know, you think this in your head, you be like, oh yeah, this gonna work. They gonna believe this one. This a good one. This a good one. And when you start telling this lie to people, people automatically catch it and say, oh man, this dude full of it, man. He don't got no this, he don't got that. Oh, and speaking on that, now that you about to be homeless, how about that $3,000 you got in your bank that's just sitting there? You know, there it go, bro. You got $3,000. You can literally put a down payment on a freaking rent an apartment or a studio, and still have money left over to put some TV or furniture and stuff in there. Oh, but you know, you got all that money, so why you being broke then? You know, I cannot wait for the excuse you could give people of why you can't touch that money or the stock that you keep showing us. Bro, you are screwed, bro. You are so screwed because you have no way of proving it. You have no money. You are completely broke. You are broke with those book bags. Oh, what about your sunglasses that you paid $1,000 for? Show those, bro. You can get about $1.55 for them, $2 for them. There you go, right there. That's something to drink, you know. You know what I mean? Ooh, what about your big time necklace? You say you paid $250 for that, and it's worth more. There you go, $20 right there. What's that? $22, $23? There you go, bro. That's a meal. But in your case, you only like to go out to eat because you work your butt off, so you got to go out to eat. You are so full of it, bro, and you are so lazy and pitiful. How one person go out to eat and spend $21 on one person? You know what that told me? That told me you order stuff, and because you think you got the money, and you ain't thinking about tomorrow or the next day, you order it. You order some of the expensive stuff on the menu, thinking you cool with it, but not thinking you're the only one in that restaurant that probably don't have a pot to piss in. Because everybody else in the restaurant either got a house, apartment, a car, and money for tomorrow. And they can, you know, they can go out to eat. And you know the great thing about that is too, bro, you'll never know how much money they have. You wouldn't know how much they have in their pockets, let alone what they have in the bank. See, that's the beauty about being an adult, is being an adult about things, having to make tough decisions that ain't the best decision fun wise, but it's the best decision long term wise. See, you don't understand that because you can't think past your nasty nose. You can't think past your little peanut-sized brain of yours. See, that's the beauty of being an adult. Being mature about things. Being mature about, let's say you got a week until you get paid, and you got like $20, $30 in your pocket, and you gotta go to the grocery store, and you got 5 people all together to feed, and you still got like almost a week until you get paid to get groceries. I will have $30 in my pocket. That whole $30 will go for groceries. And I guarantee you this, Playboy, my family will never go hungry. Never. Because I'm a grown up. And I take care of my responsibilities. Man, you can give me $20 and I can feed a family of 5 for these 3 days. At least 3 days. So, loser. You can't do that, and it's just you. So you're a complete idiot. Complete idiot. I've never seen you open up a pack of noodles. I've never seen you just say, how about I go get the 79-cent 2-liter instead of going to get True milk, the half a gallon ones, or the ones below the half a gallon, which probably is like $3 a pop. Cause that milk, the chocolate milk is good, so I know it's expensive. Or, ordering pizza for 2 days. Or, ordering McDonald's takeout. Ordering a milkshake 8, 9 in the morning. Bro, you are so childish. You don't know how to. You really has a. you are a child that don't know how to manage peanuts. And you be having the nerve to try to tell people what to do. You are something else, bro. You are so dumb. Dumb. And bro, you keep on promoting this, your little rapping every time you get done stealing somebody's beats and lyrics. Bro, you won't even make it out of your house without getting sued. Cause you know why? You stole multiple beats from Eminem, T.I. Hell, you stole T.I.'s beat and his lyrics because you said you was the king of the South. Who's that committed to rap, stealing somebody's lyrics where you don't even notice yourself stealing everything, the name, everything? Oh man, you are a great loser. Jesus, don't let nobody tell me you ain't. Bro, you can walk in the room and everybody named Mama can just be like, look at you, but that's a loser. No doubt about it. Because you wear nothing but white beaters and wave caps. And bro, like I said before, you can wear those wave caps until you turn 90. You won't get no waves up there, bro. I'm sorry to bust your bubble. You will never get waves up there. And you think it's cool wearing it too, bro. Every time you put that on, you make Napoleon Dynamite look like Brad Pitt. And that's no joke, bro. Napoleon Dynamite him and his brother in that movie look tougher than you. So, I'll leave you this. Hey, good hunting on your homeless shelter search. Good hunting. But just remember, there ain't nothing wrong with keep being a loser. You are a loser and you always will be a loser. So don't you forget that. You hear me? Don't you forget it. Nasty pear-shaped loser. Congratulations.